can get in the bars.
Go in.
All right, I'll put them in. I'll go in with them, which is probably the best way. I should be going anyways.
We'll find any way to get in there, won't you? I don't have a rope.
Well, look at them all.
Oh yeah.
Alex, I mean it when you got your
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Come here. Look at him.
Oh, there you go.
Because I'm not letting him out of that pen. We'll just hold him right there.
Oh, wow, that's pretty good. Oh my God, right up to their face.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, and they went right over.
He's got no fear.
They
He
ran
gets
over
hurt.
him. One you
I
went
still
for.
think he has no fear.
Hey, come here.
Good boy.
Good boy.
That's
Oh,
perfect.
come
Did you
here.
get that, Alex?
Yeah.
That's good.
No.
Yeah, he's chewing the. I think
Good
he had
boy.
mole in him.
Tired out from playing.
Good boy. One you went right for him. She took his head and went right at him. And I thought, oh my God, and I'm where Tiffany is, and I'm trying to get over the fence because he's gone through there. And I walked in there, and she kind of went right for him. And she went right over top of him, and he came right back and went right for her. It was like, don't you do that again.
You knew which one she was.
Good
Boy. Really?
Good boy.
Good
Come here, come here.
boy.